Hi, I'm Allyson Thompson here for About.com. I'm a hairstylist at Studio 23 in San Luis Obispo, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch braid. To do this, you will need a hairbrush, a rubber band, and hairspray is optional. Brush your hair before getting started to make sure that it's free of any tangles. You can begin this braid just about anywhere on the head. I'm going to start at the base of the crown. Start with a section of hair about 3 inches in diameter and separate it into 3 equal parts. Take the right section and wrap it under the midsection, making this the new midsection. Then take the left section and wrap it under the midsection. Now it is your new midsection. Move back to the right section and repeat this process, adding small sections of hair from your sides as you go. What you're essentially doing is French braiding in reverse. A Dutch braid is very much like a French braid, and it is also referred to as an inside-out or reverse braid. Once you've reached the end of the braid, secure it with a rubber band. You can finish this look with hairspray if you'd like. Dutch braids are beautiful and elegant, so if you're heading to prom or a special event, this could be the perfect style for you. And that's how you make a Dutch braid. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit us on the web at About.com.